our trip tomorrow. We're going to the Sequoia National Park, California. Fun fact, I used to live in NorCal against my own will. I was in school in Texas and get a phone call. We're moving to California, pack up, get on the plane, let's go. It was fun. I love my friends there. That was how I got there. My hydro grip for sure. I love this stuff. Struggling with acne right now, and I feel like it's just been getting worse this month. I have a dermatologist who prescribed me something and it has been helping, but just want the results now.
Like, we don't know y'all. They're so cute.
I love cows. How insanely lucky am I to be able to experience the absolute beauty of Mother Nature and feel at home in that. Being able to feel a sense of childlike wonder and wanting to run through the forest, thanking every tree and embracing warm hugs to take with me back to Texas. Texas, for the most part, is pretty flat where I am, and California inspired me again. The beauty of the realization every day that the mountains provide you. Gentle reminders that it will be okay and Mother Nature is still here for you. It's okay, I only made it that far too.
It's up there. Good way to cut it, huh? Okay. It'll make you happy with that.
It's also inspiring. When I was younger, I would explore my backyard of all the houses I lived in. Feet bare, hot rocks, sticky sauna-like heat, and enter a dance with nature. I would grab on with my eager hands to as many trees as I could. I would have a long wait before I washed them, as I loved holding my hands to my face, inhaling the smell of the tree bark. Unknowing at the time, I was introducing myself to the nature around me. I felt déjà vu visiting California. Not as if I had been there before, but the revisit to the same feeling I once often had.
Get a little bit more behind it. There you go.
I know when we get older, we are supposed to come into wanting to have something figured out, but I have come to the conclusion of realizing trying to figure out the why is separating me from the now. I've always found a way to make some things out of nothings, using whatever tools available at the time to make things seem grander than meets the eye. I find beauty in the mundane, and I enjoy romanticizing it all. It's all I've ever known to do. And so I continue to dip further and further into creativity and allow it to consume me. I know what it feels like to feel so far removed from that. I still have my days, but home is never far. It is always near, as close as the next beat of my heart. Good morning.
That was a gravelly trail.